Hello everyone, and this is Hargoyim Peterson. I'm in Christian's class, Excel. So what I'm about to do right now is this is the selection of first and last name. Let me make this bigger so you guys can see what I'm talking about. First and last name profession who are like designers and photographers. So this is their first and last name together and what they do. And now this is Concatenate. And this first name, which let me press on there's a little arrow here which it tells what exactly we do. Concatenate. As you guys see, concatenate, this is the formula for concatenate. And if you guys see cells 2A, this is 2A right here. And when I concatenated, what I did is chose the cell location, which is A2. And I made sure that you have to use some sort of characters from concatenate in order to continue selecting or to combine from different cell locations. This is B2, this is different cell location. So let's see, as you guys see, when I turn it to where it's a normal text, do you guys see how it combined Anna, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Liboroverti and Anna Liboroverti, and then it combined, concatenate the next one, which is combined the photographer. It tells the whole thing what that person does. Okay, now let's look at the left one. So right here, left, the formula, left A2. So you just use the equal sign, which I'm gonna show it to you guys again. Equal left. It just brings it on the text, and you just click on it, and then the text is we're gonna look at is 2A right here, 2A2 right here. So A2. Then and how much do we want? The left is only from the left. So when you count out the names right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the first name. It's only from the left we can. So 5. And then let's turn it to actual text. See, the first name of the person, the artist, came out by just typing that simple name. And let's see the right. The right is the same way right here. What I do is right here, sorry, right. So you just do the same thing, which I'm gonna show to you guys, equals right, which it comes, just click on it, and then the same thing, A2, then how much is it? The last name is, the last name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna put 9, because I want the last name, 9. Okay, and then we change it. You see? The person's last name literally is right there. Midpoint is in the other hand, when I turn it, midpoint is where you can pick it anywhere, any location, combination, anything you want. So like it's 3 things. So first is how many steps I want to take. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the first. Just erase it. Equals mid. It just literally brings it. So you click on it. It tells text, a starting number charts, you can see all of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm sorry. What I'm gonna do is right here is type the cell location A2, then which number I want, 5 out of 20 characters. Click, bam, then here you go. And literally what I did is after that, it just like there's a little arrow right here. When you drag it down, it brings all the numbers. If you want to change it, you just click on the cell. It's right here. You can change it by just clicking on it. How much you want depends on what point you want. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. And also, I'm sorry, just a second. And also, I have PowerPoint. The PowerPoint basically shows everything that I did in a fun way. So if you look at it, I'm gonna go back from the beginning. Okay, so this is my goal, keep studying and get that mid. So left cell location number, left style text from all starting from the left side, and just shows the formula that I used. Right cell location number, right style text from whatever side you want, just shows the formula. And concatenating is cell location and number and combination of texts from cells and the formula. And when you go back mid, cell location starts location starting numbers and number charts. Then emit still text from whatever side you want, and that is the formula. And that is it for today. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it.